Star 93.5 Jackson's Christian Radio mornings with Chad and Tracy, and it's like a blast from the past this morning because Brad McMullen
I'm pumped.
is joining us. Woohoo! Hey, Brado.
Hello, 1995.
Hey, big news. Now, a lot of people will call and say, "Where's Brad? What's Brad doing?" And do you want to tell them what's going on with you now?
Yeah, well, for most of the people here in the Jackson metro area, they realized that I was on Star for many years doing the news, and I was on WAPT for many years doing the news. But 4 years ago, God really convicted myself and Philip Schust to start buyfromachristian.com, BFAC.com. And I know a lot of people hear the commercials right here on Star. And the company started, and it literally was, moving at a snail's pace, or my 40-time pace. For about the first month, we only had about 500 users, and in 2007, in April 2007, there was a news story done on us by the Clarion Ledger, and that really changed everything. And then later that fall, in August of 2007, a story was done by the Daily Oklahoman, and then KWTV, which is the #1 CBS affiliate in America, did a story, and then literally the website had users in all 50 states, in 25 countries, and then it kept growing and growing and growing. And over the last 4 years, God has really blessed our ministry focus with that site, and now we have users in all 50 states and in 135 different countries.
Wow.
It's amazing to see what God has done from this company that started in Mississippi, literally to glorify God and help churches raise money so they can be able to go out and reach the lost for Christ. Started right here in Mississippi, is the #1 e-commerce Christian website in the world. And
wow.
A year ago, I was, pretty much faced with the challenge of what are we going to do with this company? Do we sell it? Do we hire somebody in to run it? Because I loved my job in television and loved doing the news on the radio, and it was a hard thing for me to give up. But when God calls you to get out of the boat, you just can't keep putting your hand in the water.
Right.
That's right.
And it's been wonderful. And what we've tried to do at BFAC.com is to try to be a choice. We give 10% back to the user's church.
Right.
And we literally want to give to churches all over the world. And that's just what God has placed on our heart. And we believe when you go to BFAC.com, you're not beaten down with the gospel.
Right.
But when you leave, you're exposed to the gospel.
Right.
I mean, we have a verse of the day. We have a daily devotion on our site. If you click on free gift, it literally walks you verse by verse on how you can give your life to Christ. And more than 10,000 people did that last year.
Oh, wow.
Right there on BFAC.com. It has been a blessing just to see how God has grown this company. And, BFAC.com did not start like a normal company with all these investors and, people pouring money in, or starting in Wall Street, or as most technology companies do, start on the West Coast in Silicon Valley. The company started right here in Mississippi, and people we did not even know came together and donated their time and effort to build this site, not for ownership or payment later, but just because they felt led by Christ to do it.
Right.
And it has been exciting for me to see how it has grown, not from just a buy and sell website now to a buy and sell website that we sell tickets and we do travel, and now we're doing business texting plans for businesses all over the world, including the Salvation Army, to small local businesses here like Beagle Bagel and Pizza Inn. And we feel really blessed to see how God is using us to do something good. And we added this garage sale feature a couple of years ago, and Tracy, I know you're very familiar, but a church or a nonprofit can host an online garage sale on BFAC.com for free. There is no cost whatsoever. The listings are free, and the church gets 100% of the money.
That's amazing. I'm looking at that online. That's an awesome thing.
Mm-hmm.
And this has been used by churches for a number of different ways, whether to help with missions programs, whether to help a member who is dying of cancer that couldn't afford their medical bills,
Right.
to help with building programs, to help literally pay the salaries of some staff members when the church just wasn't getting in enough money to meet payroll. And we've seen it all. And what the great part is, while people may not have extra money, they can always donate stuff.
Right.
So they can go into their house, just take a picture of something. They don't have to store it. They just keep it right where it is, take a picture, upload it to BFAC.com, and their church can do a garage sale. And again, the church gets 100% of the money. And I have seen this thing work. It's really cool because you can do a garage sale for an entire year. You don't have to do it in one day. So you don't have to worry about the rain. You don't have to worry about, the wind. You don't have to worry about low attendance because you're really selling to people all over the world. We have just seen so many good things happen, and we know it is all from God,
Right.
and we want to bring the glory to God in everything that we do. And I'm thankful for the opportunity to be a part of His company. And
Are you doing something special for your 4-year?
we are. Since it is our 4-year anniversary, we are giving away $4 million in free listings. So if you've got something in your house and you want to sell it, you can do it on BFAC.com this week for free. All you have to do is go to BFAC.com, sign up, get your account, and when you go through your checkout process, just enter the word celebrate. That's it, and everything that you do will be free. So if you've got 25 cars you wanted to sell, or you've got 10 homes you wanted to sell, or if you've got a computer or an old stack of CDs that you put into your computer to put on your MP3 player, you can go to BFAC.com right now, and you can sell it for free. Just enter the word celebrate, and it's just celebrating all that God has done